Look at the 440 for tractor. The hardcore strength of GoldDafeng. The production line is like a torrent. This is the confidence of GoldDafeng's scale. From the core engine to the precision cab, every link embodies ingenuity. From the source control, and rigorous testing is never absent. Tractor PTO test. Lifting force test. Machine lifting force test. Hydraulic output power test. From production to testing is rigorous. The quality of GoldDafeng is visible. Various high-quality tractors have their own merits. Shandong GoldDafeng Machinery Co. Limited, helping modernize agriculture with hardcore farm machinery. Strength builds trust.